Hi everyone, how are you guys? Good today? Here I am, Robi Dwi Aditya Putra, presenting the result of my paper to complete the third semester final exam in English, with several topics of discussion that you can see on the slide above. Background: goat is one of the livestock commodities with a pop hike so that is widely known by the people of Indonesia. Increasing the productivity of goat in Indonesia has not sound optimal result. Meanwhile, most of the management of goat in farming is still carried out part-time with the aim of raising them as saving. Thus, financially, this commodity has an important role in the economic of the farmer household. In addition, goat play an important role in religious, ritual, and social activities, such as being used as sacrificial livestock and beef cattle for akikah. This goat is popular for cultivation because it has a good reproductive rate and often produces twin goats. The peanut goat is also known for its ability to adapt to the exciting environment so that it has a better survival rate than other types of goat. The basiness of raising peanut goat in the Tanjung Bungo village is Kampar district. Kampar region still use an intensive system where all goats are kept in pens and given food by the breeder twice a day, namely in the morning and evening. The goat breeds that are kept by breeder come from the local area which are obtained by buying or by raising other people goat. Considering the extent and ownership of peanut goats which are common among rural communities. Effort to increase the role of peanut goats as well as effort to increase productivity and develop production system can be pursued by applying maintenance technique. Establishment benefit and opportunities meat type goat. Level of consumption of goat meat including sheep nationally only rank for 5 to 6% of the total consumption of meat, and it takes about 5.6 million goats per year to meet the needs. The level at consumption is relatively low, but has the opportunity for more improvement again. Goat meat quality factor, especially in relation to health issue as well as nutrition, actually has advantage compared to meat from livestock. So far, not much socialist to public. Superior quality of this mutton should be a motivation factor important for increased consumption of goat meat nationally. Potential of goat meat in substituting beef consumption is also worth considering as a strategy to reduce pressure on the current demand for beef which cannot be fulfilled from internal production. In addition to less potential of the export market which so far has only been used minimally remains a potential motivating factor for development of broiler goats in Indonesia. Chemical characteristic of mutton. Consuming goat meat is often considered generally not at risk as cause of health problem compared to meat from other types of animal. It is really contradictory with the result of research that express clearly that mutton has several advantages when viewed from the speed of health. Compared to meat from livestock and other ruminant, goat meat protein content is relative comparable of to lamb and beef, while the fat content is lower in comparison with beef and par with lamb, as content in goat meat tends to be higher than meat sheep of goats as an export commodity. Goat livestock business in Indonesia, most of it is done traditionally, casually, aimed primarily at meeting the demand for meat domestically. Goats also have potential an export commodity to meet demand market in several countries, such as Malaysia and Brunei Darussalam, as well as Saudi Arabia. Goat livestock business in Indonesia, most of is done traditionally, casually, animate primarily at meeting the demand format domestically. Goods also have potential as an export commodity to meet demand market in several countries, such as Malaysia and Brunei Darussalam, as well as Saudi Arabia. This number is far below Asiatic market potential. The potential for the export market is estimated to remain continuous due to good production capacity. Malaysia currently has only reaches 9% of this domestic. Next, establishment of the burqa goat. Crossbreeding between two or more races of ruminant is good way to increase productivity. Selection of a nation of race that has superior characteristic in the crossbreeding program is very important. It is known that goat race in the topic, including goats nuts, generally have advantage, especially in the term of fertility and adaptation to environment condition. Birth weight and growth rate in goat race depending of the positional weight when reaching maturity. So the growth rate children in goat race with a race type will be more higher compared to male type of goat breed introduction to exotic races originating from the tropic in cross program with peanut goats are expected to reduce cruciferous goat with more production capacity tool. In sheep, for example, this approach has production say white sheep with an increase to productivity of 13 to 15%. Boar goat in a crossbreeding program. Boar goat are widely known from the advantage of production goat meat from the set quantity and chemical characteristic, capacity, life weight, and growth of boar goat show this potential. Male life weight well selected adult boars, improved boars, can reach between 100 to 120 kg and weight when their age 120 days can reach 29 kg. Birth weight boar goats is 3.9 to 4.0 kg, and at the age 100 day of boar male after correcting for type birth, the average reaches 25.3 kg, while the average rate of daily body weight again rank between 203 to 245 gram. Because of such performance capacity at this height, the boar goat breed was used in crossover program for improvement of genetic improvement of local goat in many countries such as the Philippines, Vietnam, the United States, Australia, and Indonesia. In addition to having a large life weight capacity, boar goats have the ability to adapt well under various climates, condition, system, production, and type of pasture. Crossing boar goat with peanut. Boar crossbreed program with nut is to get goats burqa with a composition of 15% boar and 15 nuts for the experience of farming to say white sheep that composition of 50-50 for local race and exotic races in an optimal combination. Take lesson from the formation of white sea sheep, then a burqa goat formation program was developed. Burqa goat formation program seen so in figure 2, burqa goat 50B or 50K resulting from mating boar male with parent peanut. Then selected. The selection criteria were back with winning weight and weight at 8 to 10 months. Selection intensity ranked from 18 to 85% for male and 60 to 65% for male. Performance of 5 weight and growth. The amount of breed weight of a goat race is very highly determined by conformation and body size of her parent. Their influence heterosis as would be accepted from a boar cross X bin. Effect the birth weight of the lamb burka is stellar 10 got peanut. Advantage of got brick with burka and average by 42%. In comparison with Kanshang got insect birth weight male 10 to be taller than female gender. Birth weight is closely related to vitality and life weight at winning. So birth weight becomes the determining character in achieving the level production efficiency. Spirit of the burka gods. The development of burka god bit include the two phases are the forming process and the process of dissemination to users. Process formation is basically technically user controlled because it is carried out by an institution competent with a standard pattern. With pace is more crucial actually, less in how to build a system that can guarantee viability and seed dispersal in a sustainable manner and maintain quality as livestock breeds. Explained the many development program of goat breeds in developing countries, especially in Africa and Asia, in the past failed because they were not accompanied by a continuous development system. Several successful programs in sending development of goat and sheep in developing countries, tropical climate were implemented towards the same core-based development. The core approach in principle aims to make effective use of the goat breeding population of seed with superior class as a source of seed. For further distribution to user or commercial breeder, this scheme can be developed into different variants of the scheme by building several nodes, usually 2 or 3 nodes, and based on inter-livestock migration policies, and node can be open or closed. Beef goat cultivation. Point 1. Seed selection before running a beef goat farming business. The first and most important thing in the selection of quality seed. In choosing a male, you should focus more on male goat that have healthy and large body. Quality male are those with shiny fur and have a high reproducibility rate. For female seed, choose those that are not too fat and also have normal others. Point 2. Understand mating time after choosing the right seed. The second thing you need to pay attention in raising beef goat is knowing the right mating time for the goats. Usually, 8 month old slaughter goats are ready to be mated because they already have flash. You also need to pay attention the things that indicate your goat is ready to mate, such as anxiety. The goat genital become red and swollen, the tail move and also decreasing. Point 3. Breed management. After the nursery and marriage have been carried out, of course, the next thing the need to be considered is that handling of the breed process. The first thing you need to pay attention is the thing of a goat that is about to give birth. The most common thing is that the goat will scratch at the ground in the pen and appraisal. You must participate in the breed process. You avoid unwanted. Okay, next, point 4. Care for baby goat. For all goat breeders, the birth of a kid is certainly a very happy moment. However, it will be a challenge because it is not necessary to properly care for the kid. What you need to pay attention to is to make sure the kid gets milk from the mother. It is true that sometimes mothers are reluctant to breastfeed their young. In this case, you can give artificial milk to kid. Point 5. understanding the S of God. The next thing that is needed for breathing and rearing God is your understanding of the S of the slaughter God is self. The goal is to carry of maintenance and feeding according to the S of the God. The way to find out the X of the God is to check the member of teeth of the God. The more permanent teeth, the upper, the older the gods is. Proper feeding, of course, one way of cultivating the right God is related to meeting the need of the God feed. The thing that really must be considered be beef God breeding is the suitability of feed for the S of the God. Baby goat will certainly get milk from the mother. Mother goat need at least 1 part leaf and 3 part grass. Meanwhile, for goats to be bred, they need 2 parts of high protein. And less for pregnant goats, you need to give 3 parts of leaf and 3 parts of the grass. Prepare a quality cake, of course. If you want to try beef goat farming, you have to pay attention to quality of the case you have. Cases are made according to the size and number of goat to be bred. Make sure to cats meet several quality elements. One of them, you have to easily supervise the goat in the case. Next topic, superior slaughter goat type. Peanut goat is type of goat that is most often kept because it easy to care for and often gives birth to twin. Even peanut goat can produce 3 twin in one calving period. Besides that, peanut goats can also breed throughout the year. The treatment technique needed by the kacang goat is very simple. Peanut goat are known as livestock that are resistant to suffering, agile, spread out, and able to adapt to various types of environment. Peanut goat are separate in several Asian countries like Indonesia, Philippines, and Malaysia. Next, Criollo goat. Criollo goat that come from Latin America and Central America. These goat prefer and dry areas. Their fur then far short and black or brown. The Criollo goat's horns are curved and the ears are short and erect. An adult Criollo goat weighs 14 and 16 kilograms. With stocky body shape, Criollo can produce as many as 1 to 2 children each time they give birth. And 3 black Bengal. Black Bengal goat are notorious for producing little meat and milk. However, the taste of the meat production is very good, delicious and soft, so that black Bengal get are often raised or beat goats. Besides that, quality of the skin production of black Bengal goat is very good and is often used as a raw material for making sauce. Unless Gedi goat are often referred to as dual purpose goat because they produce both meat and hair. Adult Gedi goats produce coarse hair of 0.51 kilogram per head with a length of about 25 centimeter. Gedi goats are more common in the mountainous region of North India and Pakistan. Next topic, advantage and disadvantage of goat livestock business. Goat farming still has bright prospect. How not? The profit generated from this business are somewhat tempting. Well, even though there is potential loss, it's also a business if you are injured in business capital. Why is initially small, is gradual become large, and business development is also getting bigger. the basiness is indeed very profitable. You can observe directly the basiness people who are in this basiness. If they are taken seriously, then they will become successful. Okay, Aventus got basiness. 1. Processed goat meat is very popular with the community from the point of view of demand. Goat meat is still a meat that is very much liked by the people of Indonesia. Any preparation of goat meat are very suitable for the community. Goat meat can be made tongseng and goat satay with a very high demand. It's not wrong if you cause a goat farming business. 2. The type of business for fattering goats or goat breeding is equally profitable. There are two types of goat breeding, namely goat fattening of goat breeding. You can also develop but business as long as the management must be good. It must also be adjusted to the benefit to the obtained, which are more suitable and always one is easier for you to run. 3. Can start with small capital. If you are a beginner entrepreneur, you can try it with small capital. Start buying some goats. If it's time to sell, you can sell and do the circulation of money. 4. The demand for goats soar during Eid al-Adha. Another advantage of this business is that the demand for goat has skyrocketed during Eid al-Adha. In fact, often all of our merchandise is also out. This is one of the advantages that other type business really have. Why is that? This moment is good for beginners because this is no need for promotion, or if you don't understand marketing, people will look for it themselves, automatically sell. 5. Easy feeding. In terms of feeding, goat is relatively easy and the food is also very easy to find. Manure can be used for fertilizer. Goat manure can be used as organic fertilizer that can fertilize plant. 7. Manufacture of sheep cat. Another advantage is that in making goat pants, they can be made from cat material such as bamboo with a tiled roof with low costs. Business actor can save costs and is better to use it by cat or medicine. Disadvantage of goat livestock business. 1. Business actor must dare to get dirty. If you want to get into the business, you have to be prepared to start getting dirty. We'll even talk, for example, you already have employees. It's still you have to dare dirty. How is possible for you to have got livestock business but never come and see you go in person? How could you order your employer to provide feed but you have never set an example of how to provide the correct feed? 2. There is a season when the price of goat drop drastically. The effect of goat farming is during Eid al-Adha, where the demand soared dramatically. However, after Eid al-Adha, the price of goat will drop drastically. And 3. Treatment must be disciplined. In terms of caring of goat, you must discipline. For example, in feeding and cleaning, the cage must also be routine so that the goats avoid disease. Okay, let's the topic maintenance and care of goat. 1. Food grass is a staple food that must be available is every day, which is used to meet life needs such as for metabolism, for milk production, and for reproduction need. For livestock that are always kept in pens to prevent of growth is a much as 10% and 1% concentrate of flat body weight. In addition to the grass, other type of forage are also given, such as cassava leaves and leaves glycidia, which is given after the return process. 2. Batting livestock. Batting livestock at less time a year, livestock that have never been better will look dirty, hair damp, especially sheep. The benefit of bathing livestock is that them germs, parasite, and nesting fungi can be eradicated. 3. Shearing is usually only done on sheep, which is done at least 2 times a year. How to shave, namely, use some hair clippers before shearing the cattle are better for the future is the frizzy. Sliding is done according the instruction. We start from the option leading parallel to back of the cattle. In shaving left high clipping. 5. Clipping nail goat and sheep which are kept in pace constantly usually grow their nail faster and those that are herded. Long nail if not trimmed immediately can result in a high span disturbed male livestock experience difficult when mating. Nails that are not cut can break and can cause injury and infection. Under the palm of long nail and be hollow and violet white dirt with parasite and fungi grow on, which endanger the health of livestock. Therefore, in intensive rearing of goat and sheep, it is advisable to time to house regularly. Okay, maybe I have too much to say. More or less, I'm sorry. Have and thank you.